website. So guys, this is some issues here. Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your game Mira Forex and I'm back. So I recently got sponsored by a prop firm, the Good Funded Trader. This prop firm claims to have paid over $10,000 million to traders. But before I recommend anything, I'm going to be transparent. So this is my first time using Good Funded Trader, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unbiased review of this prop firm, and I'm going to be buying a challenge account with them to test them firsthand myself with my own money. If this is your first time, my name is Mira Forex and I'm documenting my forex trading journey here on YouTube. So if it's the first time, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you've been following the journey for a while, you would have known that I've been wishing or looking forward to having another funded challenge account to add to the one I have already, to avoid putting so much stress on the other accounts. And I feel so happy and grateful for this opportunity whereby I will have the money to now purchase an account. And if I want to test out any other prop firm, I think I should test out this one, which I'm going to be sharing with you all my experience with them, which we all know the scam regarding prop firms. But one thing that I always urge you all to do is to focus more on your process, get to acquire the skill set in trading. The only thing you have to do is make sure not to violate their rules, make sure to stick to your risk parameters, your due diligence. And if you get to a point of payout and you request for a payout and you don't get paid, you already have the skill set and you can do amazingly well anywhere you find yourself. So in this video, like I promised, I'm going to be doing an unbiased review of this prop firm, and I'm going to take you guys along with me to purchase an actual account with them, and I'm going to be sharing my experience to update you all with real results. Okay, so guys, we just logged into the Good Funded website, and the first thing that caught my eyes surprisingly is the dashboard is smooth, the interface. Okay, it is well organized, easy to navigate, and I know a lot of traders might ignore this, but when you're managing trades, dealing with funding rules or checking stats, simplicity makes a big difference. Chucky completed platform just adds so much stress to whatever you want to do. So I have to give it to Good Funded props here. This UI is clean and it's a big plus for me right out of the gate. Okay, now just to be clear, this video is sponsored by the Good Funded Trader, and I've never used them before. This is my first experience with them. So instead of just telling you what they offer, I decided to actually buy a 5,000 funded account with them, which I'm going to take you guys along when I'm purchasing the account as well, to test their system myself from the inside and then share with you all my experience with them real time. So right now I'm going to be taking you guys on reviewing this prop firm, starting from the interface. Okay, like I said, simplicity is one of the things that people don't really look into when going for prop firms, because most times when you come into most prop firms and you find it so hard to navigate or find some things you need, it gets so complicated. Very simple, and I love the color grading as well. Alright guys, one feature that the Good Funded emphasizes is their in-house technology, which means they are fully not dependent on third-party platforms. This could mean better execution and faster customer service, okay, or faster support. All right, and as you can see, as I said, they claim to have paid over $9.1 million in payouts to traders, and they have over 98,000 traders as currently. Okay. Funded traders also, you can choose your account. So the Good Funded traders also offer an instant challenge account if you want to start trading immediately, or two-step account if you want to go through the phase 1 and the phase 2 challenge. And we're going to compare the two accounts as we go on. Okay, as you can see, they have a step 1, step 2, step 3, instant funding, the GOAT's most popular, and then the standard. Okay, and as you can see, the account ranges from $5,000 to $3,000. We're going to be looking at the step 2 funded challenge. Okay, as you can see, there's step 1 and there's step 2, and then the GOAT account, which simply means the life account. So the first target for the phase 1 is 8% and the step 2 is 4%. So this simply means a total of 12% in both phases. Okay, I think if you should compare it, firms will familiar, I think 10% and then 5%, and then their daily drawdown is 4%, and also in their life account is 4%. So this simply means on each trading day, you're expected to not lose up to 4% of your account balance in that particular trading day, or you would be losing the account. And then maximum drawdown is 8%, also in the life account 8%. So in the first one, you are not expected to lose up to 8% of your actual balance of your trading account overall loss. Okay, or step 2, you're not also expected to lose 8% of that account. And even when you get your live funded account, you're not expected to lose 8% of that trading capital. Okay, so the trading period, no time limits. I think this is one of the features that pro firms these days are imputing, that are helping traders to trade in a more calm and conservative state of mind, in the sense that you're not rushing to pass the account because of you having fear of losing the account if you're not able to pass this account in this time limit. Okay, so I think this is one of the features that make most pro firms, or what you should look out for when you're going for any pro firm. Reward schedule by weekly add on demand. That's how you could actually request for your payouts. You could request for your payouts by weekly and add on demand. So I think this simply means there is a reward system whereby if you request for your payout and you're not paid as the time you're supposed to pay in 2 business days, they give you extra $500 on top of what they're supposed to pay you. And the leverage is up to 1:100. In phase 2 is also 1:100, and GOAT account is 1:100. I think leverage is also something that is very, very nice. So this simply means that it will take you, like, I think in any account, like 10 times, that's 10 consecutive losses in a row for you to be able to blow this account if you're risking 1% of that account. And their profit split is about 8% standard, and then add on 100%. I think this add on 100% simply means that you could work your way up to actually requesting for 100% of your payouts. Okay, so they actually allow news trading and they allow weekend holding, which most pro firms do not allow. Okay, news trading, they allow it for those of you who trade news as well, and weekend trade holding, that you could hold your trades over the weekend. Trade with your favorite platform. As you can see, they have different platforms to trade on. They have the Trade Locker, they have the Match Trader, and the Meta5, which we are all familiar with. And yes, something else that Good Funded claim to have an official MT5 license via their broker, which give them more legitimacy, since many scam firms don't even bother with licensing. Okay, and if you should go for that, why traders love Good Funded traders, they went as far as listing $800,000 in funding, scale up to 2 million. Wow. And 100% refundable fees. That means you will get your fees refunded to you if you pass the phase 1 and the phase 2, and 100% profit split. Like I said, you could work your way up to requesting for 100% profit split. That's what they claim. And rewards guarantees received in 2 business days. Okay, no hidden rules, no time limits, first reward on demand. Okay, first bi-weekly reward, news trading allowed. Okay, fast and secure rewards. Okay, as you can see, they also claim this, that over 9,100 and plus million. Okay, as you can see, all the traders are trading from different countries. You have Jose from US, and might say, I don't know the country, and the journey, and then get funded. And the easy way to get funded, you can get funded by challenge funding and also rewards. And yes guys, unlike many other firms that stick to Forex only, Good Funded supports crypto and stock trading, giving you more flexibility to trade your preferred markets. Okay, as you can see, you could trade your FS pairs, stock markets, ETFs, and crypto pairs. Okay, just like we know, there are other pro firms which generally are more focused on trading over the foreign currency, or maybe the futures or the cryptos, that you could basically not trade the stock markets in that particular pro firm. But in Good Funded, you are allowed, there's no limitation to what markets you simply want to trade. You can trade both stock, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. Lightning fast execution, raw spread from 0.1 pips. Okay, that's something you could still go as far as doing your own research to see, because you know with pairs varies different spread. Okay, that's something you could actually see. And zero commission on indices and cryptos. Okay, so that means FS pairs do have commissions, but there are zero commissions on indices and cryptos. That's as far as what Good Funded Trader is all about. And now guys, we have come to the point whereby I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to actually purchase my own account with them, and I'm going to take you guys through the process. Okay, first of all, we're going to, like I said, this is my first time and I just had to do an unbiased video with them. So firstly, to get funded, I think we're going to click here. We're going to be going for the 5k funded challenge, so that's what I'm going to be starting with. Okay, I'm going to be putting my money in line to test them firsthand to see if all claim to provide is actually true. Okay, so far what I can say is their features look promising on paper, but since this is my first time using them, guys, I can't vouch for long-term performance yet. That's why I will keep you guys updated on my challenge progress. So as always, prop trading carries risk, okay guys, and I don't recommend if it's easy that you're not really profitable, and if you're trading with money that you cannot afford to lose. I would say it's something that you shouldn't start putting your money into. And as I share my journey along, I also going to be leaving the link to this prop for you to check them out as well. And as I share the journey with them so far, if it's something that you also want to check out their profile and get a profile as well, and share your challenge and also update me as well about them, I would really love that. So the link to their website will be left in the description of this video below, and I will update you all once I trade my 5k account and trade, and if I should get to a point of withdrawal, I'm still going to update you guys about it. I want you all to, should I say, follow along, and make sure you subscribe, like, and also do not forget to turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I post video, or maybe updating you guys about using the code funded traders profile. Okay, so let me take you guys along with me purchasing the actual account. Okay, as you can see, while we were looking at their website, they had options you could pay with, which we're still going to see. So start your gold funded journey. So select an account, details and payments. As you can see, they have Visa, MasterCard, another MasterCard, Bitcoin, Ethereum, digital currency, Apple Pay, American Express, PayPal, and more. Okay, so I am selecting the $5,000 account. Which should be step 2 standard. Step 2 standard. So guys, this is some issues here and there. I'm gonna be trying to purchase the account from my mobile phone, so I'm gonna be screen recording everything I'm doing, because I think I have easier navigation and the network is really not connecting so well. Yeah, so 2 standard, then 5k, 95. So first out on demand, coupon code. So continue. I'm gonna print, like I said, it's crypto, and then I agree, place order. So now I'm gonna be filling this out. So you also have to be very careful with this email filling stuff, because that's where they're going to send you your credentials. I've had this first experience with one platform like that. I didn't send him I didn't input my proper email, so we're going to be using Libra FX. Okay, I didn't put in my proper email, and it was a whole lot of stress for me to even get my account credentials. So you don't want to go through that stress. So confirm $20. Okay, so the options to pay with, you can pay with Bitcoin, Theta USD coin, Ethereum Lite. So as you can see right here, USD coin is 2069. I think I'm going to be using USD, Theta USD, that's USDT. So here select network to send Theta USDT, Tron, Ethereum, Polygon, and the rest. So let's use Polygon. I think that's the cheapest thing. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go over to my Bybit. So allow paste, so we can check it very well to make sure it's 0, okay? Then network. And then amount, we're going to be imputing the exact amount, that's 2069, 2069. So guys, as you can see, submitted. So back to my chart. Alright guys, I'm so sorry that I'm not being so professional in this video, but you know that I don't fake or try. Guys, you know this girl doesn't fake or trying to quote anything to be as beautiful as it may seem. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you guys the truth. I found out that after I finished processing the account, I didn't get the logins immediately due to the issue with. But one thing you all have to know is that this is my documentary and I'm gonna share the real honest journey with you all, and there's no sugarcoating anything or fancy quoting anything. I'm gonna accept. I found out that while I was actually buying the account, I made mistake with my email. If you remember, during the time of the video, I actually told you guys to be very conscious about it. I don't know why I keep on making that kind of mistake almost every time I'm purchasing a Profem account. But yeah, I just found out while watching the video I recorded. I saw that I made mistake with my email, but I chatted their customer support immediately, and before you know it, I already got the account. So hi, let me screen record because there's nothing to hide here for you. I want you all to see, but I'm gonna blur the login. So hi Mira Forex, congratulations on your decision to take our go-funded evaluation. During the evaluation, you'll be trading in a demo trading account with simple rules to follow. Once you achieve wait guys, you know your girl doesn't like, I don't have anything to hide from you guys, but I'm just simply surprised. Okay, oh god, I don't know if I'm permitted, but the reached out on the sponsorship, I just had to reach out to them, telling them my issue about the account, the issue I got about not filling my email properly, and they sorted it out, and I was just surprised with a $15,000 account, guys. Firstly, I will recommend the fast support, and also I will recommend the kind gesture. And with my first experience so far with them, I just hope that everything about them is legit, and I promise you guys I'm gonna share the real journey. So that was why literally I cut the first video I was already making, because I just saw the message and I was wowed. So that's why I just want to show you guys, and please, I'm going to share the real truth regarding this. And remember, this is documentary, this is my journey. I've got nothing to lie to you all about. I'm going to keep everything honest. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop another video. All right guys, peace.